Hello friends, in this video we will do plate GJC port forwarding. Let's start. And in the new tab we will open plate.out. In the GG tab we can choose any temporary website. We have downloaded the software for plate.g. Windows installer. Let's save this. And we make these glib comments on it. For create an account, we need an email. So we enter this email, set a password, confirm and create. First we need to verify our email. Click on verify email, then go back 10 and create. We verify this mail, our code is, and if we click here it will be verified. After verification we will come to our tunnel and set up the tunnel, set up new agent. So now we have downloaded our plate and now we will install it. Click on Speedsnang and enter the drop chord in visitor clear. Then we copy our point and paste it. Click. Click.
I do 888 and 9 eternal.
This is our turn area. Here is our IAP forward port and listing port. Which one is ours? This is our IAP, this forward port, and this is our listing port. Or we can use them. This is our IAP forward port. We can use any. So here we create a new text file.
Guide, they touch and give.
So look at this IP. Here, look at Avery's forward plot. This is our listing board. At least if there is hope.
Must have felt good to watch. See you in the next video.